Similar to last time, we've got another one. This one is a USB extension cable. Actually, you can probably read more information on the back. But it is an extension cable, and it actually is rated for 240 watts, full 420 gigabits a second. It's an extension cable. I have been apparently needing a lot of these extensions for the battery testing I'm doing. So we're picking up these guys. I know he said these guys again. Like there's multiples? Maybe. Anyways, let's check it out. And if you guys missed it, so it's rated for 20 gigabytes a second, 240 watts, and it can handle, because again, USB Type-C can handle like a display port or a display out for a lot of laptops. So this can do 4K. Does it say? Yeah, it just says Ultra HD, so I'm not sure if that can do like 60 frames or anything like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in. And any of those remember the last one, we get the same little card. I like that. Very happy. Call these guys, or email these guys. In fact, it even says, oh, free replacement within 1 year, which is nice. We don't want you guys to be sad. We want you guys to be happy with your product. And this one, little Velcro-y thing. So if you need to tie it, it's funny that it comes with this guy, but it also has a twist tie. USB 2.0 low-speed device, such as a mouse and keyboard. Hub can only work with the side, the ultra-high rate. If the USB device does not work as you expected, please flip the Type-C. Okay, that's good to know. That is good to know. Essentially what they're saying is that if you plug like a hub into this guy and you're noticing it's not working, it's because this is designed to take advantage. It has high speeds on one side and not the other, so you just need to disconnect it and flip it around, and then it should work. So it's nice that they already put something like that on it. They probably have already run into something like that. But yeah, similar to the last set, we got some 90s here. They had some that go out this way, but I liked, can we zoom it? There we go. I like these ones a little bit better. This way I have more accessibility on the sides for plugging stuff. They're very similar to the other one. And again, they're just extension cables. Yeah, but yeah, we're going to be using these guys for more battery testing. And they even put a little plastic, I took it off there, but we come with a little plastic protector there. No plastic protector for this guy, for this side, but that's okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, don't forget to click and subscribe, hit that thumbs up. We're going to take a look at this product, and we'll come back with a full review later on. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, stay charged and stay safe. We'll see you next time.